Hello, my friend. How are you doing? Last class, we talked about headache, toothache, and stomachache. In this class, we talk about 3 new health problems or aches, pains, dolores. Okay? But before I start, I ask you, please like this class. Dale un me gusta en esta clase. No solo en esta, como en todas nuestras clases. Esto nos ayuda mucho. Okay? In this class, we talk about the flu, la gripe, fever, fiebre, and cough, tos. The flu, gripe, fever, fiebre, cough, tos. Llamamos the flu because it comes from the virus influenza. The virus name is influenza, so the abbreviation is flu. You say, I think I'm having the flu. Creo que estoy teniendo la gripe. I think I'm having the flu. The flu, la gripe. I have a fever now. Tengo una fiebre ahora. Or, I don't know what's going on with my kid. He's with a fever. He's very hot. Está con fiebre, está muy caliente. I think he has the flu. Creo que tiene la gripe. I think he has the flu. Another one is cough. I'm coughing. You say, oh, I think I'm getting the flu. I'm coughing a lot. I'm coughing. I have a bad cough. Tengo una mala tos. I'm coughing a lot. Estoy mucho. Now I ask you, do you normally have coughs? How often do you get the flu? Do you have fever sometimes? Are you with a stomachache now? Do you have headaches very often? Comment your answers. Go on our website, complete the exercise related to this class, check the options with the certificate. Thank you very much. I'm Felipe Gibi. See you next class. Cold es resfriado. Tú dices, I think I have a cold. Creo que tengo un resfriado right now. I have a sore throat. Estoy con dolor de garganta.